Welcome to Easy Tutorial Concepts. If today is your first time of coming across our channel, please do it to subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, we say thank you. So today we're looking at differentiation using product rule. There are certain questions that the examiner will give to you, and you will be required to use the appropriate rule. So product here simply means when two expressions are multiplying themselves. You are to use product rule, because there are some certain questions that you see and students get confused more often when they see questions like something like 3x plus 2 x squared minus 1. These are two expressions multiplying themselves. Whenever you have a question like this is when you apply product rule. Then when we get to composite rule or chain rule, or called function of function, that is a function carrying another function. Then quotient rule, when two numbers are dividing themselves. So if y is given as u times v, the formula for product rule say dy dx is u times dv with respect to x plus v times du with respect to x. So u dv plus v du. So without wasting time, let's take one practical question. If y is given as 3x plus 2 into brackets, let's say x minus 3 using product rule. So you say let u equal to the first bracket 3x plus 2 and let v equal to the second bracket x minus 3. And if this is true, now let's differentiate. Differentiate u with respect to what? X. If you differentiate 3x with our normal differentiation principle, this becomes 3. Differentiate 2, which is a constant, 0. Then let's differentiate v with respect to x. Differentiate x, give us 1, and differentiate 3, that is 0. So you've gotten u dv plus v du into the formula. So with that, you restate the formula down and you bring your figures. u dv with respect to x plus v du with respect to x. So let's take this thing upwards. So it becomes, our u is 3x plus 2 times dv, which is 1, plus v x minus 3 times du. So v du is 3. So you expand the bracket. 1 times 3x, 1 times 2, 2, plus 3 times x, 3x, 3 times minus 3, minus 9. So we can add up the similar terms here. 3x plus 3x, 6x. 2 minus 9 give us minus 7. And that is your answer. So we can also solve another question. Let's see if x squared plus 4 into 3, let's say 2x plus 1. So let u equal to the first bracket, which is x squared plus 4, and let v equal to the second bracket, which is 2x plus 1. Then you differentiate u, then differentiate v. Differentiate u with respect to s. Differentiate s squared will give us 2x. Differentiate 4, that is 0 because that's a constant. Then differentiate 2s, that's 2. Differentiate 1, 0. You restate your formula. Formula for product rule is u dv plus v du. So if that is true, these are u. Let's take it up. If this is u, x squared plus 4 times dv plus v 2x plus 1 times du 2x. 2 times x squared, 2x squared, 2 times 4, 8, plus 2x times 2s will give us 4x squared, 2x times 1 will give us 2x. So you group the similar terms together. 2s squared plus 4s squared will give us 6x squared plus 2x plus 8. Answer. All right. So this is how to solve using product rule.